Radio. So now, the train to my apartment. It's called Saltwater Apartments and Hotels. Resorts and hotels, whatever it is. Kind of a sloppy intro. And they've got a cool billboard there. I've seen YouTubers on the billboard. Yeah? On the billboard, sorry. And there's a big stretchy thing. Now on Flinders Street. There's vending machines. Behavior signs. Yep. There's a lift. Now we're going to stop at Frankston Street. Oh, those security TVs there. Oh yeah, it was cleared about 12 metres around it, but it's not far. But the road was just wide enough. Back into the hole, down the road. Well, it's quite dark here. Also the priority seats, the yellow ones. Just right back there. Also the priority seats. For a disabled person, elderly person, or a pregnant woman. Really windy at this moment, but it doesn't feel like plane turbulences. There's another train going past us. There's a footpath. You have to be careful of these trains. That gate is locked. Like, who's gonna cross that if the gate is locked? Yep, you know, the other one. And now we're gonna go past the venues. There is he sold everything tennis courts. There is Rod Laver Arena. That's where they do Australian Open tennis. But I don't go there. Tennis HQ. I thought that was Amy Park for a minute there. Oh, there's Amy Park. You can see it now. Then that is. If I'm wrong, then I'm wrong. It's just John Saint Arena. That's also where they do Australian Open. John Saint Arena there. And there's the Collingwood Football Club facility. And there's Amy Park. Might be able to see the spheres on the building. And then we had a look at of Kia Stadium where they do Australian Open as well. And there was no gates and we just got in for free. There's Amy Park, by the way. There's the Collingwood Training Oval. They also do soccer there, I think. There's the Collingwood Oval. And surprising moment is I get a view of the MCG. We're stopping at Richmond. So, yep. Except I can't see the MCG. Just gonna wait for the MCG view to come up. Yeah, like just when we got off the slide and the V-line guy.
This is a service to Frankston, stopping all stations direct to Frankston.
Can't see it.
Oh, hold on to some point.
So I have to see the lights.
I'm not down that way.
I haven't been on a metro in about 15
So good.
Maybe park this right there.
So when you get on the V line, it's smooth as glass.
Yeah. I'll be silent for the rest of the ride.
This one's just I haven't. Believe it.
Now I won't be silent. Except you can't see the MCG now.
Go up on Dairy Farm.
But on the way into the MCG I could see it.
Yeah. So you go to school, you're working. Well, I think all of our generation. The roads you got more clothes on your back, your shoes. Clean.
Yarra River's that.
If you're lucky.
Alright, we're getting off.
Yep, getting off. Right, I gotta wheel my suitcase. I gotta wheel my luggage. Suitcase is here.
Where you?
Now, gotta wait until I can press it.
Not
Stopping here in South Yarra. Right. Now we can press the button. Okay. Right, now I'm gonna wheel it. My suitcase. Yeah. I'm gonna head back to my apartment. Sometimes I'm American accent. Because sometimes I say car or apartment. Yeah. Or South Yarra. Or maybe some popcorn. Yeah, because I like speaking American and I'm mostly Australian. I just speak American for fun. So my finger went down. Just my suitcase rolling across those bump things. Across these things. These bumpy things. But it doesn't look like any error bar. No trains are departing from this platform. That was a bit sloppy. No, this is a really hard ramp. I'll be silent on this one.
If you make a mistake, don't delete it, okay?
What a soft. Oh, he's spreading some margarine. Yeah. Oh, toilets. Oh, perfect. Toilets. Except I won't do a hand dryer video. Oh, maybe one day I will. Up there. Yeah. Excuse me. box. Ice cold Coke. Ice cold Coke. Alright. The toy steak opened. It sounded like a telephone for a minute there. Or a code box, like you type in your code. But this is locked. I think there might be an electric box or something. I don't know if it's catching the train again. Don't need to catch the train again. Just gonna run up because of the steep hill. Steep ramp, I meant. But a hill's like made of grass, not concrete. There's the bathrooms. I wonder if there's a hand dryer in there. Because I was thinking about doing another hand dryer video. But maybe one day I will, because I don't got time. Because I think I gotta catch the train again. Another train or something. Because this was a different stop. Another metro. Just keep going up and down this ramp. There's a intercom. So yeah. For information, I don't know what that does. The green button, but don't press the red button. That's the intercom button. Just in case if kids get lost, like if their parents are on the train, but the door closed before their kids. If they're lost, probably they can talk on the intercom, and then they can hear it on the train, and they can come collect the kids. It's 14 minutes. Yeah. A vending machine. Yum. It's got lots of cool snacks in here. They have Doritos, Air bars, mints, yuck. Oh, peanuts? That's not for me. Peanut M&Ms. Peanut butter M&Ms is gross. Because they're literally like shaped weird. Because I think you know M&M's peanut flavored are weirdly shaped. They're like wonky. But the regular chocolate M&M's, the milk chocolate ones, are like perfectly shaped. The chocolate M&M's are my favorite because I'm allergic to peanuts. Don't recognize that horn. We are catching the train again.
Yeah, it's going to take me a second.
Okay. Yep. Sure. Just go on this chair or bench. Wait, somebody sounded like a telephone. Yep.
Good afternoon, customers. Your
Something
next service
sounded
to
like
depart from
a
platform
telephone
3
again.
will be before
Literally.
32 Flinders Street, stopping all
Because
stations to
telephone
Flinders
sounds
Street.
look
Your next
cool.
service to depart from platform 3 will be before
Some
32
women
Flinders
died in
Street,
Epic.
stopping all
Just cool.
stations to Flinders Street. And always remember to touch on your Mikey at
This
the
stuff
start
right
of your
there.
journey.
This right there. Yep. Timer up there. Or clock. A 24-hour clock. Oh no, 12-hour clock. I was thinking digital clocks or big digital clocks for outdoors or swimming pools are like 24-hour clocks. But the one in Gangang Leisure Centre and Clubline Hydro Pool, they use 24-hour digital clocks. South Yarra or South Yarra or Yora. I was just speaking American accent again. Not that. How long is it? Ah, yep, 11 minutes. Up on the screen there. So I'll see you in a bit when the train has arrived. So yep.